Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the invoice number generating using Java. Let us show the demo first. Here this is the invoice number generating. It is generated automatically after order completed. Here I am going to purchase a product name TV. Here I am going to price, I am going to enter like this. Click add button, order completed. Now you will be able to see. Now not 3, right? If you go to add another product, click order completed. Here this is how the invoice number should work. Okay, this is the custom number and it is auto incremented after completed each and every order. This is the way we have to do in Java for invoice number generating. Okay, I'll be teach how to do this system step by step. Right now let's close it. Now let's back to our database. This is our MySQL database. I have created the database mcafe. I just created as mcafe. Inside the database I have created the table sales table. Sales table consists of these are the columns, right? Invoice ID, product name and price, right? This is structure of that. Invoice ID should be varchar, product name varchar and price should be int, right? This is the simple one, right? Here we have to, here this is the things, right? Varchar with this is a primary key I have set at here. Okay, this is not in invoice ID should be varchar. Okay, this is how we have created the columns, right? Now what I am going to say, I am going to write the code for that here. So let's go to the project, new project. I am going to create Java application. Click next. If it is checked create main class, you have to uncheck it. Here I am going to create the project name as invoice number, right? This is very simple one. Okay, right now my new project has been created successfully, invoice number here. Let's close this one. Right now here this is our new project. First what I am going to do is here go to the source package, this one. Here I am going to select the default package, right click new. I am going to create the new package as I am going to write invoice. Click finish. Right now I am going to create the new form, right click new JFrame form. Here this one should be the I am going to create as invoice, right? Class name invoice I am going to create, right? Now here first I am going to create a simple one, right? So first I am going to drag one panel, right? This one, select this one, properties, border, you have to select as this one, soft bevel border, click OK, right? Now here first I am going to drag the labels. This one should be the label, this one, select this one, right click, properties, font property, you have to select this one as a bold and 14. 14, we have to select as 14, right? This one should be invoice number. The same thing you have to do here as well, so 14, right? Okay, now here the text, this one we have to edit text, you have to make it as invoice number. This is invoice number, right? This is the product invoice number generating, right? The inventory management system invoice number generating look like this here. If you want to change the size, color, select the label, properties, foreground color. I am going to change as blue, right? If you want to increase a little bit, you will be able to increase it. Let us increase as 16. This is possible. Here it's varies, right? Simple, right? Okay, now I am going to go to track two labels. This one should be these two labels. I just hold on the control key down and select both, and properties, increase the size as with bold 14, right? Now here let's select this one, product name. This one should be the price, right? Now here what I am going to do is here I am going to drag to text fields. I am going to drag two text fields, right? Here I need to add one button. I am going to drag one button. This button's name should be, you have to select as OK. text I am going to change as okay. Right. Simple form, right? This is a very simple invoice number generating. Okay. Now we select the frame, right click, properties, code, generate center. Right. Now if you run the project, you can check. It is simply this form should be generated at the center, right? When the form is loaded, invoice number should load, right? So first what I am going to do is here we have to name this one. Select this one. We have to this one you have to name it as change variable txt number, right? This one change the name as edit text, remove the existing text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, change variable txt p name mean product name. This one select this one, edit text, backspace to remove the existing text, select again, right click, change variable txt price. We have to change the things like this, right? Now first what I am going to do is here I have to do the auto increment part, this one. So first I am going to go to the database. This is the fields are there, right? I am not going to create the database, right? These are the fields there, right? Okay, this is the thing we have to do. So first I am going to select the right. These are the fields there, right? These are the numbers are auto incremented. It is starting from E0004, right? Second one, right? So first what I am going to do is here I created the database successfully, table successfully. Now I am going to establish the connection between NetBeans and MySQL. How to do the task is we have to download the appropriate driver. So let's go to the Google. You have to download this. Go here, download MySQL connector for Java, right? If you search like this is the first one, right? MySQL J connector, this one. Click on this one. If you click this one, it goes to the download link for that. If you come down, there will be the two links, right? Here, this one, MySQL connector Java zip. This is the file where you want to download, right? This file will be 4.6 MB. You just click on the download button on your left side, right side. If you click on this one, it goes to the different website for download. Here you no need to log in or sign up. You just click the below link, no thanks, just my download. If you click on this one, your download has been started, right? That's the thing you have to do. Here this download has been started, right? So I just cancel it. I already download these files. So first what I am going to do is here your project folder, there will be another folder libraries. You select the library folder, right click, add jar folder. I am going to import that file, right? So I have downloaded and put into my E drive. So I have to search that E drive. The file is MySQL connector Java, this one, right? This is the two files we have to get it. These two files, right? These two connector, right? Hold on the control key down on your keyboard and select both, open it, right? If you open it, it's successfully here. It's working on here, right? Successfully here, it's come on your folder. It's successfully come on, right? Successfully download, right? Successfully, it's successfully coming here, right? It's at your libraries, right? Now first what I am going to do is here go to the source. Here I am going to download. If you go to the source, this is the class file, this is the constructor of the class. Here first I am going to write the connection object, connection con, right. After that you have to write a prepare statement, right, PST, right. This object we must create before, right? So first we have to you have to implement this namespace. You have to implement this namespace as well, right? Perfect. So after that what I am going to say, I am going to write the method connect, public void connect. First we have to write class dot phoname. Here we have to write com dot mysql dot JDBC dot driver. Right. Now you have to establish the try and catch. Right. After that we have to write con equal driver manager dot get connection. Okay, first you have to write the URL. So JDBC MySQL colon, you have to write localhost comma, what is the database, right? Your database reside on localhost. What's the name of the database, right? M cafe, right? You have to write the name properly, M cafe. This is important stuff. Username will be root, password will be blank, right? When you install the SAM server, default username is root, default password is blank, right? This is not error. You have to import the catch close to, right? Okay, this is the connection. This connection method, Ctrl+C to copy, you have to paste inside the constructor. After initialization component initialized, after you call this, right? The connection will be connected, right? After that, what I am going to see, we have to write the auto this one, or we have to set the public void invoice number generated, right? Invoice number, right? You have to create the method invoice number, right? Right. Now what I am going to do is here, what's the problem here? Right, here we have, this is the method, you have to write like this, right? Okay, first what I am going to do, you have to write a statement class, you have to statement, you have to write st equal connection dot statement, connection dot create statement, right? You have to add the class name, right? Import JavaScript, right? After that, you have result set rs equal st dot execute query. You have to write the query here, right? After to write the query is select, you have to write the keyword max. Here you have to write the invoice ID. This is invoice ID. You have to invoice ID column, right? Invoice ID, the max. Invoice ID from which table? Sales table. What's the table? Sales table. We have to write like this. After that, you have to write rs dot next. You have to implement this one. You have to implement the namespace. Here also we have to add the try catch. Right. Now it's gone. Now it's dot. You have to write rs dot next. You have to write rs dot next. Right. This is the thing you have to write first. Right. After that, you have to write rs dot get string. Here you have to write max. You have to write max. You have to write invoice number. You have to write here. This invoice number. Ctrl+C to copy. Ctrl+V to paste here. Right. You have to write this also capital. This is simple, right? But identify easily, right? Okay. Now here you have to write the code. Simple stuff. After that, you have to write if. The same thing you have to copy. Paste it here. You paste it here. You have to write here. Equal null. If it is null. If it is null means what happen is you have to write the text box name, which is text box label 2 txt number. That's the name I have put it. Txt number dot setx. You have to write here is it's starting from like this e dash. You have to write 70 0 3 4 5 6 7, right? Okay. Now here else you have to write here. You have to write long id equal long dot past. You have to write long. You have to write here long. So long. Here, long. Long. You have to write long dot pass long. You have to write this rs dot sim, this one. The same thing. You have to paste it. You have the same thing. You have to copy. You have to paste it here. Right. After that, we have to write a dot substring 2 comma the same thing. 2 comma the same thing. You have to paste it here. Ctrl+C to copy. Ctrl+V to paste here. Paste it here. Right. Dot length. That's the thing we have to write. At the end, you have to call and end the statement. Right. That's the thing you have to write. After that, you have to write id plus plus. After that, you have to write this txt number, get it here, dot set x, your right here is e minus, your right here, plus string dot format, your right here, we have 7 digit, we need 7d, 07d, right, comma, here right here is id, this id here right, control C copy, control V paste. That is the thing we have to write. Okay, now the invoice number method we have to copy and paste here. That's the thing we have to write. Okay, now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Okay, it's working fine, 0004, right, because I have, it's already there, number 3, so it's starting from the position is 001, it's auto increment. Now I am going to go to add the records into the database, after that check it, right. Now let's go to here, add button, right click, event, action performed. Now here we have write the code for the insert record, right. So after insert the record, first we have to, these values we are setting to the relevant variables, so we have to write a string first number equal txt number dot get text. Number means it's a invoice number. After that, string pname equal txt pname dot get text. After that, string price equal txt price dot get text. After that, we have to write prepare statement, pst equal connection dot prepare statement. You have to write here is insert into sales table. You have to write these things, invoice id, prd name and price. So you have to write invoice id, prod name, comma price. You write values, first question mark, second, third question. You have to write like this. You have to add the right edge. After that, you have to write here is pst dot set string 1 comma I number, this number. After the same thing, control C copy, control V paste here. This one, second one should be p name, control C copy, control V paste here. Third one should be price, control C copy, control V paste here. After that, you have to write pst dot execute update. This is the thing we have to write. We have to get the message here, j option pan show message dialog. This you have to write here, sale order completed. You have to get the message order completed. Order completed, right? This is simple one here to do, right? After complete the order, what I am going to do is the auto increment id function, the auto this invoice number function. Here control C to copy, control V to paste, right? After complete the order, it is incremented, and we have to clear the fields, right? What is the fields we have to clear? These two fields and this one. Control C to copy, control V. Instead of the get text, we have to change this one as a dot set text. Set text. The same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste. Right. After that, cursor should be focused on txt pname dot request focus. Call the method request focus. Right. This is the stuff we have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Very simple one. All the stuff was frame. Very simple. We have to check. Auto number generated with invoice number generated successfully. Now we have to add the product name, some different name, ABC, ACB, something product. This is the price I am going to enter. Order completed is 5. Right. Now we are going to add another product. Price 9,000. Right. Exactly. If you add another product, that here it's an invoice number generated successful, right? This is how you will be generate the invoice number successfully. You must try this one. While you are doing any error of this code, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.